This is Mike from MPC Stuff. Today we're going to install the PortSaver from MPC Stuff on the MPC One. So we're going to start on this one. We're going to put a red one just to show some contrast. We have them in different colors. Of course, you can choose whichever one you want. We have red color, retro color, and black. So we're going to go ahead and install it here on our MPC Live One. It's very easy. It's just a few screws. Be on our way. This screw here and this screw here, those are both going to come out. Once you have those two screws out, we're going to place the PortSaver onto the Akai MPC. Once you have it on there, we're going to get it straight and we're going to go ahead and put our screws back in. Once we have our screws back in, we have it in place. Make sure that everything's straight. As you can see, it's on there. We're going to go ahead and install some of the plugs just to show you how it works. Power plug goes in, that way it doesn't put any stress on the carrier board. The carrier boards for these MPCs are very fragile, and we see them come in for repairs quite often from USB ports, power cords, and whatnot being pulled out the side. By somebody tripping on them or something of that nature, and then it causes damage to the carrier board. Sometimes even the power button becomes an issue, so we put a little shield around that power button as well. But as you can see, once they're in there, it keeps them more snug inside, so it's not ripping from the actual PCB board of the MPC, and it's actually putting most of the pressure onto the PortSaver. You might come across that you're using USB external ports that do not fit inside the hole that's in the PortSaver. That being said, we've created an option or an extension that just needs to place inside of the PortSaver and inside the MPC. Once you have that placed snugly inside, then you can go ahead and use your USB cords that might have a thicker outside piece or a jump drive that you might be using. We also have an option for USB-C. There's many items now that are using USB-C, so that's a conversion to convert to USB-C on the back. And you can get them today on MPCstuff.com.